Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra and today I'm gonna show you how to do a Christmas wreath budget friendly. This project will be very simple, fast and fun. You will need to purchase only floristic wire and the metal hoop. The rest probably you have in your home. The branches that I used were cut from my tree, but you can easily find a nice branches at your local park. So let's get started! For this project we will need some nice branches, gloves, floristic wire, pliers, secateurs, scissors, decoration, twine, glue gun, bow and a metal hoop in your favorite color, or you can simply just spray paint it and that's all. At the beginning I like to play a little bit with these branches just to see how they fit. Then cut as many small branches as I need and again play with them. I'm doing exactly the same thing for the other side. Now it's the time for wrapping everything in metal wire and secure it very tight. Hooray! Now it is the fun part, decoration time. Try to place your decoration in places that you like. Play with them as much as you need. I'm also making a tassel. Just take the twine and wrap it around something. I have to use my phone. I have wrapped it approximately 20 times. And ta-da! You made it! Thanks for watching! And this is how it turned out. I really enjoyed that project. It was quick, simple and easy to do. If you like it like me, thumbs up, please subscribe and see you in the next project. Bye! Merry Christmas!